Hi, in this tutorial we are going to solve a question related to reaction of alkenes. The question asks us predict the major product for the following reaction. If you look at the reaction, we have an alkene and we have a strong acid HCl, and what's going to be the reaction we can predict easily. This will be an electrophilic addition reaction to alkene. So basically hydrogen will be added to one side of the alkene and chlorine will be added to the other side of the alkene, and we will get a chloroalkane or an alkyl halide, alkyl chloride. So, but before predicting or just without for prediction, let's draw the reaction mechanism and let's see how many steps we might have and what kind of intermediates we can have and what's going to be the possible final products. So in order to solve the write the reaction mechanism, let's utilize curved arrows, and we have here the nucleophile or alkene double bond, and the electrophile here is the hydrogen. So we will have a curved arrow from here to hydrogen, and then this bond will be broken between hydrogen and chlorine. So we are going to generate here two intermediates. The first one is going to be a carbocation. Let's draw the intermediate. So we have methyl here. So we have two possible sides of hydrogen addition, either here or here. Let's add to both. Then let's say we might have two possible intermediates. Okay, this one. And we have to say that, let's use a different color for hydrogen. Let's say that hydrogen will be added to this side, and or hydrogen will be added to this side of the double bond, and then we will have a carbocation on this carbon or carbocation on this carbon. Then we will have the chloride anion. Let's write here chloride anion, Cl minus. Okay, so we have two possible intermediates based on the carbocations, and this is the first step. In the second step, now the chloride anion is our nucleophile, and the positively charged carbons or carbocations are electrophiles. So we might have two possible reactions here, having chloride and these two carbocations as reactants. So let's say that this is going to attack here. There is going to be a bond formation between carbon and with this chlorine and with this carbon, or we might have this reaction, the bond formation between this carbon and the chloride anion. Then let's write the possible products. We will have here either this product, let's draw two of them. Okay, here we will have here methyl and methyl. In this case chlorine will be here, and in this case chlorine will be here. So we have here methyl and chlorine on the different carbons, and in the second possible product chlorine and methyl are on the same carbon. So which one is going to be major and which one is going to be minor, we can decide based on the carbocation stability. Let's look at here. We have a carbocation, positively charged carbon, and it is connected to two carbons, so this is a secondary carbocation. And if you look at the other carbocation, we have a positive charge on carbon, and this carbon has 1, 2 and 3 neighboring carbon, so this is going to be a tertiary carbocation. And we know that tertiary carbocations are more stable than secondary carbocations. So the major product will be based on the more stable carbocation. So this molecule is going to be our major product. Let's write here. This will be major product and this will be minor product. Thank you so much.